The magnetic swipe transaction is used when the passenger's card does not have a chip. Once the meter is stopped, the driver terminal will show transaction in progress gratuity selection. We advise not to distract the passenger at this moment, as the screen will revert to 0% gratuity within 30 seconds. Don't worry if this happens, just ask the passenger to press the clear button, which is the yellow button on the terminal, in order to select a tip. Once the passenger has confirmed the total fare, the passenger cannot swipe the card himself. Therefore, the driver terminal will ask you to swipe the passenger's card. To correctly swipe the card, the magnetic strip should face inward when swiping the card on the right-hand side of the terminal. Ensure the magnetic strip faces inward and that the card is well inserted. A swipe transaction will issue 3 receipts. The first is the merchant receipt with an authorization code. Hand the receipt to the passenger to sign and check that the signatures match the card. Press the green Enter button on the terminal. The screen will now ask you if the signature matches the card signature. If yes, press the green Enter button. Please note, with a swipe transaction, the authorization code is not enough to process a transaction. The driver must press the green Enter button for yes on the signature check for a complete transaction. Once you have answered yes to the signature match, the cardholder receipt is now printed. Check the authorization code and hand to the passenger together with their card. Press the green Enter button again to print the driver's receipt. Briefly check the authorization code and press the green Enter button. The screen will show transaction upload and will automatically upload within 5 to 10 seconds. Always keep the merchant receipt for your records, which is the signed copy in case of any problems. If the signatures do not match, give or take slight differences due to conditions, when the screen asks if the signatures match, press the yellow clear button to answer no. The transaction will now be cancelled, a cancelled receipt will be issued, and another method of payment should be used.